Today we are going to teach you how to subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. I'm going to show you the steps to get the correct answer when you are multiplying, dividing, or subtracting fractions. The first step for subtracting is to make the fractions have a common denominator. To do this, you have to find a number both denominators have in common. So if we have 13 over 14 and 5 over 7, the common denominator would be 14. So we would rewrite it as 13 over 14 minus 10 over 14. And what we would do is subtract the numerators, so that would be 3, and we keep the denominator, so your answer would be 3 over 14. Next, I'm going to show you how to multiply fractions. So what you do is you multiply the numerators together. So for this problem, we have 13 times 5, which is 65. And then you multiply the denominators together, which is 98. And if you could, you would simplify, but for this specific problem, we can't simplify, so your answer would be 65 over 98. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to divide fractions. An easy way I learned to divide fractions is using a method called SOR. To use SOR, you keep your first number, so it stays the same. Change the operation to multiplication and use the reciprocal of 5 over 7, which is 7 over 5. And when you multiply 13 times 7, you get 91. And 14 times 5, you get 70. And since the numerator is larger than the denominator, you would turn it into a mixed number. So it would be 1 and 21 over 70. But 7 goes into both of those numbers, so you could simplify it and get 1 and 3 over 10 as your answer.